Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can properly reset the central air conditioning unit, and I'm also going to explain what a reset can and can't fix. So first of all, before resetting the system, you need to check why the AC stopped working. If there was a recent power outage, voltage fluctuation or tripped breaker, the reset can often restore the normal operation. However, if you are seeing any kind of errors or if you are hearing the unusual noises, a reset won't fix the underlying problem. So first of all, you need to start by basically going to the settings of your thermostat, and you need to simply just turn it off. So this is going to prevent the air conditioner from trying to start while the system is resetting. Afterwards, you need to simply turn off the dedicated AC circuit breaker in your electrical panel, and if your outdoor condensator has a disconnected box mounted nearby, you need to switch that off as well. Now you need to leave the system without power for at least 3 to 5 minutes, allowing the control board and the compressor protection circuits to reset. After this time duration, you just have to restore to the outdoor unit and wait for further 2 to 3 minutes before touching the thermostat. Now, many of the modern central AC systems perform an internal self-check before accepting a cooling request. So once everything is turned on, you just have to simply set the thermostat to the cool mode and lower the temperature to at least 3 to 5 degrees Celsius below the current room temperature, and that's how you can basically reset it. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.